Ron, tell us about your bike.
My father bought this bike in 1967 from Poteet Honda up on North Oak Trafficway, brand new. And the story with this bike is the neighbor of my mom and dad's bought the twin to this bike. And they rode it for about a month and a half or 2 months. They got hit head on. So my mother told my dad, you got two choices. You either sell the bike or put it away. So he puts the bike in the garage and stores it. It's sat there for 35, almost 40, close to 35 years. And they called me one day and said, what do you want to do with the bike? I said, I want the bike. So got the bike, brought it home and started cleaning it up. That's all we've done. It's all original. Everything is, the only thing we've changed are the tires. The bike is 2,224 miles on the bike, and it's a joy to ride. I'm just really proud of it, really proud of it.
Well, it's absolutely beautiful, and you've taken incredible care of it. Great. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.